Reeled them all in. He reeled it in good.
It did not land.
Oh.
Let me get that one.
Oh, we got a big one.
Which way?
All right, guys. We got a pig. We got a big boy. He's mad. Give me my grips. Ways. Hold it sideways. Dad, why don't you get this one for me? Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Don't get it down there. I ain't got real signal.
Go down there.
Oh my God.
What's wrong with this?
Dang.
Yeah, look at that shit at the bottom.
We got two big boys. Look at his face. He got a weird face, bro. Look at his head. Hold on. It's way heavier. That might be your PB. Nico might be his PB right here. Right here somewhere. There it is. Yeah, he's huge too. We got the twins in it. We got the twins in it for reference. It's almost as tall as them.